Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching a League of Legends or the Valorant game. You got an error, HVCI verification failure. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two simple and easy fixes for it. First of all, in the basic step, you need to enter into the BIOS menu of your PC. In BIOS menu, if you have an Intel CPU, you will find the option of SVM mode right under the MIT or under the advanced settings. Find SVM mode and enable it. Although, if you have an Intel CPU, right in the advanced settings, you will find the option of Intel virtualization technology. Make sure you enable these settings. This will again available right under the advanced settings of your BIOS. After enabling SVM mode or Intel virtualization technology, save the changes and then restart your PC. Once your system restart, you need to open up your Windows security. In Windows security, click on the option device security and click on the option core isolation details. Now here you will find the option of memory integrity. If this particular option is toggle off, you need to turn it on. After turning on the memory integrity, restart your game and hopefully this will fix out the issue of HVCI verification failure. Although if this failed to work out, in second step, all you need to do is to update your BIOS. And to update your BIOS, simply open up your web browser and you need to type in update BIOS and then type in the manufacturer of your motherboard, for example ASUS, MSI or Dell. Then right over here you will find the very first link which will take you to directly official website of your motherboard manufacturer. Simply open up this website and here you will find the download link of your BIOS drivers, download them and then update your BIOS, and after updating your BIOS, the issue of HVCI verification failure will be completely fixed out. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.